welcome. So let's do some fresh analysis on GJ. So we see today we already kind of had some movement. This wick came up here and now it's going bearish. So maybe this is some kind of area to look out for. And then we clearly have a support over here. And so we see right away prices still in this goddamn range. So let's look on the 4 hour for more information. We see that prices at this minor support, which we know has been respecting. If we break that, then we could be headed down to like either this area or this area. So I'm gonna mark that area over here. And so I think this is just, yeah, this is pretty much it. If we look on the 1 hour, we see price is just in this range. We can so it's a 15, 14 pip range. Then we have here let's see, from here to here the range is 10, yeah, 10, 11 pips. It's not enough, so let's just be safe, put it up there. I mean, and days or weeks like this, those are the weeks where you get build some kind of character. let's take a look at some news, if anything came out overnight. So, looks like we have some kind of Brexit news. Let's see, it's yeah, whatever. So today it's Wednesday. Oh, we have some pound news coming at 8 o'clock. We have CPI and PPI. Interesting. And then at 10:30 HPI. But other than that, nothing really. And this news shouldn't impact the pound all too much. Let's do some analysis on gold. Gold still at that weekly support. Alright, so gold, yesterday we closed bearish, therefore creating a resistance right here. We see that we have like this candle this candle right here closed above these candles. This one closed above these candles. So maybe these candles are also some kind of zone. Let's see. Yeah, so price yesterday was in this range. We broke below it and now we formed a support. So maybe we might start seeing some bullish momentum to retest this area at 1886. Oh wow, look at that. This candle just wicked down, broke the lows, and went straight back up. Crazy. Would have gotten 17 pips out of it before it came back up though, so. Alright. Yeah, it's a little complicated on gold today actually. I think if price can break above this level, then we can come up to maybe this level and probably break above it. GJ looks like it wants to continue down. Let's see what it wants to do. Super risky taking a trade right now because it's rejected so much in the past, and who's to say that this is the breakout move? So we're gonna wait for some kind of stronger confirmation in order to take a breakout. Hello, Panas. Welcome. Hey, good morning, Panas. Hello. Oh, good. Not too bad. GJ still in the range. Crazy. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it dropped. Oh, yeah. Looks like it moved at New York close and then pre yeah pre Asia. Oh wow. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, on the fifth. Oh, you have the Sunday candle. Yeah, 15 was Sunday. Oh, 60. Mm. Yeah, I see. Oh, okay, I see. What are your ideas for gold today? Yeah, it's mm, okay. Like today, or yeah, maybe. Hmm. Uh, which week? Hmm. This big one. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, the big one. Hmm. Yeah, indeed. It broke. Hmm. Yeah, look, it broke structure. S- it broke the structure, and then the next candle came down to do a retest. Then you would have expected these candles to continue down, but I guess the volume wasn't there for the move kind of already happened for the day, and then it just ranged until yesterday. And now I think we broke below, and now the 4 hour created support. So I think the next, if we can break above this zone at 1881.20, then it can continue bullish to maybe retest like 1886 or 85. What? Yeah, where we are right now. Oh, oh, 1800 flat. Yeah, no. I always have an eye on GJ. I look at the price. I look at the price right here, and I keep in mind the zones. But I think for me, I need to see a break below 0.800 to potentially fill this range. But it's only 10, 11 pips. So, let's see. On gold or GJ? Um, yeah. Yeah, exactly. I heard some MetaTrader sound. Did you execute a trade? Oh, is it a stupid trade? On gold? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, that's possible. We do have news coming out in 10 minutes, but it's only yellow folder. So who knows? British for the pound. On oh, which new sniper didn't work out? On what pair? Oh, okay. I see. Ah, I see. Okay. Oh, okay. Hmm. On Euro USD. Yeah, I see. And now it's forming support to continue higher to retest this high. Fill that wick. Hmm. Yeah, look. Uh huh. Yeah, go on. Look how this daily has this wick to fill. So this is a wick fill, right? This wick, the daily is in momentum, and when price is in momentum, wicks get filled. So like if this were, for this daily candle to continue the uptrend, it needs to respect this low and break this high. So therefore this wick needs to get filled. So if you go down to lower time frames, you'll see this support formation on the 4 hour. That's like a confirmation that okay, now we've created a strong support. That means we're gonna respect yesterday's low, and now there's a super high chance that the the euro dollar can come up and fill this wick at 1895. 1 point, no, 1.18995. And if you look on the 30 minute, I think 30 minute is closing above this area, so maybe if it can give a confirmation, that'd be a good buy. I think it's a little too late. Yeah, true. Hmm. Hmm. Mm, I see. Based on these technicals, Euro USD is a strong buy. What did you say? Uh huh. No, exactly. Oh wow, they even go down to the 15 minute, 1 hour. That's yeah. I only look at it for jokes. There's also this other indicator, the Chinese indicator, and this one tells you how strong currencies are. So in this case, the pound is weak and the yen is strong, so technically GJ should go up. But I mean, this is we. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's absolutely right. So it should go down, but I mean, we always make fun of this indicator. We use it as like a joke. Hmm? Yeah, exactly. He uses it more as a joke. Oh, this is nice on Euro JPY. We formed a low. If we can get a resistance. Ooh. So we have a resistance right here, and I think we're forming a support right here on the 15-minute probably. And if we can break below this support, then it should be easy move down to here. But that's probably, yeah, not even 10 pip range. News came out pretty good for the pound. Who knows if that'll have an effect. Man, this has got to be like the worst range I've seen on GJ this whole year. hmm There was, yeah, there was this other range at the end of June, I think. Oh crap. End of June or July. Let's see. Yeah, no, where was it? Ah, here, end of June. This one. Right next to this one. This was also some really fucked up consolidation right here. I remember trading this, it was not fun. No bueno. I remember right before this consolidation, it was so weird. Price was just moving so fast, so big, and yeah, just everybody was making a lot of money on sales, on buys, and then end of June came around and this consolidation started, and it was just like everything came to a halt. Everybody that was doing well started losing money in the consolidation, and then after the consolidation, price was moving rather slowly. And this was like a huge change in market conditions. Like after everything before that was so fast, so smooth, and then after that it became harder, I guess. Ca- oh yeah, absolutely. You take a buy and then you take a buy, then a sell, and then a buy sell. You're like, oh, this is gonna be the break. But no. But I think this range we're in right now is worse than that one because it's getting like it's so much tighter. Yeah, they just both look really bad. And then we had one range end of September. That was this one. This one was actually pretty fun to trade because it was pretty fun to trade because the 4 hour had this big range over here, and I think it was like 80 or even 100 pips range. Yeah, 80, 75 pips. And it was so easy because price, you saw price come up here, and it's like, oh, okay, we're at the top of the range, so now we should go bearish to the bottom of the range, and it did. And then it's like, oh, we're at the bottom of the range, now we should go to the top, and it does. And that one was super easy. Yeah. Oh, nice. When silver popped 100 pips, or think a break below 850 on GJ will be super good.
I think it will come soon, but the question is, how many hours did you sleep last night?
More than yesterday. I got that.
Like 4?
No, I think I did at least 7 for sure.
How is the weather there? Here it's a little bit muggy. Quite dark and dismal.
Yeah, it's a little dark here, but I think yeah, it's not raining. It's not it's not really warm either.
This time the same breeze slowed down from Concord until now, and it surprised me. I forgot how many days of good sunny weather we have.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes I still wear t-shirt and shorts and to keep away jackets.
Oh yeah. And is it still warm over there?
For me, yeah, because so many years in the Netherlands and the UK.
Oh yeah, true. And what's the temperature like over there usually?
Like 23,
Oh wow, nice.
26. Exactly. I put a buy limit, sell limit on here.
You have a cell limit?
I put sell limit, yeah, for the first time I did that.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I can tell you if you have some.
Yeah, I have some time. But price is in an uptrend.
Pardon?
But price is in an uptrend. And you expect it to reverse?
I'm expecting version a certain point, but not for too much.
Okay.
I put a sell limit on 18, 18,923. That was the previous day, and also the maximum loss from the past.
Ah,
So
okay. And which time frame is this order block?
I'm looking on. I'll send you here.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I see it. Never mind. On the 30-minute, right?
Uh, from back from the 9th of November, where it was the big drop. Back all the way to here.
Yeah, exactly. This one basically. That's what I
Yes,
see.
yes.
Yeah, look, it was respected here as well.
Yesterday respected it to the point.
Yeah, exactly. So now, and you have, yeah, it's good you have yours a little bit higher because what I notice is once supplier demand gets tapped, the next tap will go deeper.
Very nice. I can hear you.
Oh,
Can you hear me? Okay, enough.
oh, you can hear me now?
Now, yes.
Oh, okay.
And you said you might go a little bit higher.
Yeah, with demand or supply, uh, the second tap or every tap after that goes a little deeper than the previous one. So this one went up to 18, like 0.1893. Now maybe the next one might go to like a little bit higher, but it's very hard to say how much higher. Basically, I think so. Basically, like what you're expecting is to for the daily to like come up to the high, create a new high, and then pull back to close. Yeah, to close with a wick in like a counter trend.
I take profit on 18,706.
Yeah, if it respects higher time frame structure and things like that. Or are you still in your GJ buy yeah, cells?
I am, yes.
Oh, you might want to start managing risk, I think.
I have just some income saved up enough
Mm.
to keep protecting that life. Last night I didn't sleep very well because I didn't even know it, but then look at the price,
Mm. Uh-huh.
whoa, we're gonna drop down. Look at that, have to calm down.
Oh, GU is looking, or cable should I say, is looking quite nice. Oh yeah.
But upbeat and well, it's fine now.
Mhm.
Yesterday I got a little scared and I closed it quite early. I got on 1%
Uh huh.
on my balance.
Oh, and now it's all the way
But
down here.
but now look. Oh, geez. Not the pound, but euro Japan. There.
USD Japan.
Thank you.
Yeah. UJ. Yeah, since yesterday that's a 60 pip drop.
60 in 4 hours.
Mhm.
Look at this.
Yeah.
And then I hit myself.
Where did you enter and exit?
Let me see. I entered on 104 400.
Uh huh.
Um, that's low. See. Yeah, I think that's the one.
At the close of this 30-minute. Mhm.
That's okay. I have to do the right things here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the one. 104 400.
Mhm.
And my sell was 104 that I closed on halfway through.
Mhm. Okay. And this is beautiful on cable. This 30-minute came broke above. Now, if the 15-minute closes bearish and the next 15-minute comes up to break the high, then with volume we should push up to like the next zone.
Still 33.34 something.
No, the next zone I have marked is 1.3293.
Let's see.
Yeah, that'd be this 30-minute resistance. And if we can break that, then we have this wick that can get filled all the way up to 331.2. At this level over here, at like on cable at like 1.33 500, super strong. I think in order to break this level, we need some kind of Brexit news.
Or something happening with the dollar.
Yeah, something very bad to the dollar.
Is it go, go, look, close to 1? How's it going with the trend on 1?
pretty bullish, probably.
Polish? No.
Well, if you focus on the most recent,
Exactly.
we have like this support, then price came up, created a high, and now it's creating another support. If this can this should come up to retest this high, and if we can,
Okay, you gotta see this. Go zoom out, zoom out,
uh-huh.
zoom out like a lot.
Yeah, this is more than I have.
Really?
Yeah.
Go to MetaTrader. Go to MetaTrader in that case. Because you're gonna see a fine candle going down trend line, and we're about to hit and cross even lower. You see that one? Check
Wait,
the line from the top one, and you'll see it's about to retest.
what do you mean, like this or something?
Draw a trend line, a downward trend line from the very, very top,
Uh huh.
and connect it to the next stop, which is on
Right here.
2014. Yes.
Yeah.
Compare to 2014.
Uh,
See?
and you think, yeah, that we're gonna respect it?
Yeah, I think so. If it breaks above, then we're gonna have a runner. But this is a very important one to keep in mind.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's more about the line because I don't think the line really makes all too much sense because you have so much history. Like, I think focusing more on this is better. Like, focusing on this area here, you see price rejected here, broke above and then closed below. So like this whole area here, I'd pay more attention to this area here. If we can break above this area, then like the next stop would be here. I only draw my trend lines using the two most recent zones, two most recent highs or lows. So like
Why you don't want to see also the big picture? Because with
because
time,
because because I think the big, uh, I mean, I do look at the big picture, but this to me isn't doesn't make sense because you have so much information here, right? You have like a lot of information. I'd focus on like the most recent information. So like here, price. So this was like a trend line for me, like with how I like to draw them, connecting the two most recent tops and or bottoms, and then it was broken, and then this price made a lower low. So technically, this is like you could say this is a trend line because price made a high here, and then it made a low here, and then another high, and then a lower low. And now price is kind of like at this trend line as well.
and then we don't like trend lines either. You prefers the horizontal line.
Um, yeah, I prefer like the normal zones, but it depends how you draw trend lines. If you,
The fact is that looks like September respected a trend line, but November that we are now, it's coming up again very closely.
mhm.
So you see there is a little bit of push and more contact to it than the previous time, back in 2014 on July.
Oh, I see.
I mean, the second time was immediate rejection going down low, but now we're
Mhm.
flirting with this line, so anyway, but I think it really depends on government and what's going to happen from the numbers.
Yeah, because there's Brexit news, or there's a Brexit deal that has to be made like within a week or two, and I think
There's a deadline
that's
for that.
yeah. Basically, if a Brexit deal with the EU isn't a trade deal isn't like made by the end of like um, December 31st, then it defaults to like a universal trade deal, which means that there'd be like import taxes on the UK to the EU, and that'll hurt a lot of economies because yeah, it'll hurt. No, look, yeah, go look at this video. This guy Duo Initiate Duo
not that I don't believe you to say this. It's amazing.
Duo Initiate.
Mhm.
Here, the Duomo Initiative. Here, this video, Brexit crunch time, what's happening, and a look at cable. This video explained the thing about what I just said, the trade deal. It's pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, if you see like a bearish candle on the 1 hour forming up here between like 1886 and maybe 1884, then you could start heading down again. No, wait, actually, on the 4 hour, I think you can start heading down again once the 4 hour closes bearish. Because if a 1 hour candle starts closing bearish up here, then you have a support here. So essentially, just made a high. It made a high to come down, form a support, and then retest that high. So actually, that's a pretty bad idea. Take a sell on the 1 hour.
Where would you put your stop?
Above the 1 hour high. Because for price to go down, it needs to create lower lows and lower highs. So then it makes sense. Oh, crap.
Man, did you see Bitcoin?
No, but I know it's coming back up.
Yeah, it went to 18,000. 20 was the max.
Oh wow, nice.
Exactly. And surprisingly, that's not the news doesn't exist much for the mainstream,
No,
for the
true.
public. Usually back then it was, oh guys, we got it to 10, guys to 15, got to
Mhm.
17. And now there isn't much of a hype, and I wonder why.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe people they lost so much money buying at like 20,000 that they just don't want to talk about it anymore.
Perhaps yes. But the thing is that I see media mostly
Mhm.
as magnifying glass
Yeah.
where they want people to focus on.
Mhm. Indeed. Absolutely.
So I pay attention what the big people are doing by what do they publish in media.
Mhm. True. If the media tells you to buy something, you should sell it. Because if the media is telling you to buy it, it's too late. It's too late. The move already happened.
Right. Yes, I'll give you a lifetime example, a real example that happened.
Mhm.
First of all, who was it? It was father Kennedy. Yeah, had a lot of money, and he was lucky on the big crash. He didn't have any loss because about a day or two, let's say, before the big crash,
Uh huh.
he went to a guy whose policy sued,
Oh, oh,
and
oh yeah.
you
I
know,
think I've heard this story.
you've heard it, and
Yeah, I think so.
if that guy telling you to buy stuff, that means
Yeah.
something is wrong. Okay, I had the similar experience. One night I was in city center of Amsterdam. I
Mhm.
don't remember the night, but what day, but it was full of people and drunk people, and a
Mhm.
young British lady was telling me, buy Bitcoin, and it was only a few days before it crashed. So keep your eyes open and keep your ears open, man.
Yeah, I remember my mathematics teacher with talk about Bitcoin when it was at like 18,000, 19,000, then 20,000. It'd be like, wow, Bitcoin, it's at 19,000. Oh my God, crazy.
That, I kid you not, that is interesting case.
Yeah, true. And then when the market goes in like mayhem mode where people just start freaking out, then that's the moment to be like, okay, maybe I should take some buys.
Exactly, exactly. I have my eyes mainly focused to physical gold and silver, what people will say about it. So far,
Hmm.
nobody's talking about it. You will hear almost nothing about it. But
True.
eventually, you will hear them talking stupid words like Bitcoin, because everybody associated with Bitcoin, oh, massive Bitcoin.
Yeah, yeah, true.
And I'm gonna tell everything.
Are you holding gold then? Like
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah,
investments in gold?
exactly.
Oh, beautiful.
And I suggest that you buy Solana if you're going.
Hmm.
Because it's still very, very low, very low.
Yeah, true. I'd prefer because gold it's already above its all-time high, so buying it now is pretty expensive. But let's take a look at the silver. You said it once was at like 50 or something.
It was 13, 15, about when March happened, when the big sell happened.
X.
Now it's like 20.
What was the ticker for silver? XUG or something?
XAG, yeah.
X. Oh, XAG.
Or another cool trick is to play with the spread between gold and silver.
What do you mean with the spread between gold and silver?
Right. Usually, usually a spread from, let's say gold to silver, or some certain bonds. In normal times, they are around the same price.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can see that if you go to Twitter, which is XAU, XAG, try that.
What? Yeah. X. X. What did you say? XAG. Oh, XAU.
No, basically gold, silver, XAU, XAG.
XAU. XAG. Oh, nice.
So zoom out, like go to month and zoom out like a lot.
Oh dear, yeah.
So usual good times, it's around 70 or 60, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But when something terrible happens, like happened in recent days,
Mm-hmm.
it went up high. So on that point, I think, okay, I don't remember exactly which one. You buy
Mm-hmm.
one of them and you sell the other one. And when it goes down, you do the opposite, and you just make
Uh-huh.
money out of thin air,
Yeah.
literally from thin air.
Yeah, because when things get bad, gold goes up. With
When things go bad, both of them go up, but here's the thing,
true.
because silver has small value, like only 2 digits at the moment, so you buy
Mm-hmm.
it, and when it goes up, the percentage of the change is much bigger than gold.
Mm, yeah.
So what you do is that you buy gold on the top, and you sell on the bottom, and you buy silver. And then again, it happens on the bottom, on the top. You sell the silver, you buy gold.
Mm-hmm.
And then when it drops down, again and again and again and again. That's basically what happened. I read that recently on a book. Have you read the book? It happened in 2008. That, that was a big crash that happened. It wasn't a house. It was a spread bet that they were putting on bonds and
Mm-hmm.
um, on loans
Mm-hmm.
for the house.
Yeah, yeah, I know. The
And it's considered the
CODs.
most safe. It's considered the most safe bet.
Uh-huh. True, I
If
see
you
what
have
you mean.
time, if you have a time, go and read the Hour Between the Dog and the Wolf. It was suggested by the book that he read from Andrew Aziz,
Mm-hmm.
Silent Prayer.
Ah, okay.
Really good book.
Ah, interesting. The hour between the dog and the wolf.
Mm.
So, yeah. So, on cable, I have this paper trade. So it's not a real trade because I don't trade cable. So if this candle can break the previous 15-minute candle, then I want to then basically,
Mm-hmm.
well, basically nothing happens because I won't take a trade, but it's something I want to
Yeah,
observe.
good. Are you trading today? I thought you were gonna stop your trading, no? I mean, today.
Yeah, yeah, I don't know. I guess I can continue the week in case I might continue, like, I won't take any risky trades for the rest of this week unless this GJ breaks out of the range, and then I want to see how next week plays out, and then I'm done. Then I'll go. Let's see. I'll go. Then it's December. Yeah. Then for December, I'll just paper. No, I'll demo trade for like 2 weeks and then take the last 2 weeks off.
Break from the spring maybe completely as well for 2 days. Go some vacation or something, or go for some hobby. Take a day off from spring school.
Yeah, true. I probably should before 2021 and start with a fresh mind.
How is it there? Is there a lockdown these days in Netherlands?
What?
Is there a lockdown these days?
Oh, not really, but they really don't advise you to just go out and stuff like that.
I'll come next week on Wednesday.
Ah, really?
Like 4 days and then I'll come back here to Portugal.
Ah, okay,
And then
cool.
after I come to Netherlands.
And are you moving to Greece permanently?
No, temporary.
Ah, okay.
I will come back as soon as I have more room here.
Mhm.
But to come back in Greece, I have to take this COVID test in Amsterdam.
Oh, I see.
And it's 150 euros. I don't know.
What, really?
I'm not sure.
But they're free.
Really? There?
Um, like, they're free from the government.
Okay.
If you do it with the government. Wait, hold on. This candle is coming to a close in 45 seconds. Well, let's see what happens at London Open, then I'll tell you. Because, like, my mom, she did a COVID test, just like from the government, and you don't pay anything. Unless you do it from, like, a private company. Oh, wait, is it like, a fast test that you get the answer within, like, 30 minutes or something?
Yeah, something like that. And okay, let's see the opening
Yeah,
first.
yeah. Price action first. So cable never broke the 15M high, so this trade no wouldn't be executed. One thing I'd be looking at. No, I just don't know. Unless price breaks down, there's nothing to do. Okay, basically what I'm looking at for the open is for price to break below this 1 hour low over here. And then for price to come down like 20 pips. Hey, wait a minute, where did my gold analysis go? That moment you just lose your analysis. Oh, nice. Tesla is now part of the S&P 500, and Elon Musk is richer than Mark Zuckerberg.
Nothing happened.
Nope, not really, because the higher time frame is ranging, so that sucks out the volume on the lower time frames. And what I find scary is that this range is getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
That means that the breakout will be massive.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. The longer price ranges, the harder the breakout. I mean, there's this time price ranged for a day and a half, and holy, the breakout, 100 pip breakout, right here. Price ranged since market open for 1 day and 4 hour, and then on the like 8th hour, price broke out, had like the total move was like 190 pips, but in 1 hour it went like 60 pips. So damn, I can only imagine what can happen once this consolidation breaks. Maybe. Hmm.
I don't know about TJ, but in gold, uh, earlier this year and last year, see consolidation is more fair. So only very few days and
Hmm.
in an hour, kind of. Now I see many days consolidation, like many days. So
True.
we're gonna see a pause really soon.
Hmm. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Is it the same in GJ?
GJ doesn't consolidate as much, I find. Um, yeah, I don't see any buys either. My bad. Oh, it did break the high. I guess the cells are just not gonna happen at all, so I'm gonna take them out. No trade so far today. But I guess if price will continue to range, then it makes sense for it to go up, fill this wick, and reject there. Who knows?
You need some sleep.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna call it a day for now and go get some rest. Or not for now, just for the rest of the day.
Quick question.
Hmm.
About the test that you were telling me earlier.
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly.
What kind of a test? Well, I have no idea, but Greek government requires a test called PCR. Has certification. I'm looking now on the government website and I found the form which I'm gonna call later
Uh huh.
and ask. But do you know anything more about the
Uh huh.
money for the test that you
Uh,
took?
yeah, I went with her. Basically, PCR is that? Yeah, I think that's the one where they stick the thing up your nose and get your saliva. Yeah, yeah. If this is PCR, is this PCR?
I have no idea.
I guess so. I
Maybe it was
guess. Yeah.
there might have been.
Yeah, she did this where they stuck this thing in her nose. They collected a bit of their of her
I
saliva.
thought it was the only way.
Huh?
I thought it was the only way. No?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I think so. I really don't know much about this,
Okay. Okay.
but basically, these tests are just free from the government, but you have to wait like 2 or 3 days to get the answer.
I see.
So it's not instant. But
I'll keep an eye, but try to make it fun.
yeah, for sure. I mean,
Oh, was it positive or negative?
oh, it was negative.
Okay.
Yeah.
I had the test also when I came to Greece on Cook Farms, Hungary.
Mm, yeah. If you can save money, that's always nice. Then maybe you can risk it in trading.
Yes, please. Why not?
Yeah. Instead of spending 150 for a test, you just save it, put it in like a joke trading account, and then when you see like the picture perfect setup, you risk 100% of it, and then make like 200 bucks out of it. I think, I think with the that could be pretty nice. So let's see. GU continued up a tiny bit. Let's see if we can reach there. Gold, gold did move up in this 4 hour like I thought it would, because the previous 4 hour established a support. So now if it can come up to that zone we talked about, create a resistance on the 4 hour, then super high probability we're gonna retest this low. And buys did indeed happen above this zone, because one thing I've been paying attention to is that if price is gonna respect the higher time frame zone, then it has to break a lower time frame zone, right? So if this 4 hour support was really support, then this 30-minute zone over here should have been broken, right? This 30 minutes should have been broken. So I guess maybe here, since oh wait, let me get my drawing tool so it's easier to see. So I guess here, if price was coming bullish, it came here and it formed this support. This was a low, and now we have a higher low. We have a high, so then I guess it made sense for this candle to retest this would have been like a trading candle. You could have taken a buy to retest this high, and then since this is like a 4 hour support, you could have expected this to break above here and then continue to there perhaps. So that's interesting. Now if I think if we start seeing support formed above this level, then that's a good confirmation that price will continue to go bullish. And that's pretty much it for today. GJ didn't do anything. It just rejected the bottom end of the zone. Man, I hope you're not holding the buy or the sell. You are. Yeah, yeah, true. I I guess at this point a good stop loss would be above this 4 hour high. That makes the previous one 138 100.
Yeah, it's about the same. But it pisses me off. I'm really expecting to go down. I hate when people stop taking no trades. I really, really, really. I mean, I cannot stand it.
Uh-huh. Well, I mean, there were no confirmations in the first place because this candle where you took a sell, it closed it closed slightly below these candles, but we know it closed slightly below these candles, but we know that there's also rejection like right here, and then also like right there, and then we know that the higher time frame is ranging. So then you have to ask yourself, okay, what's the probability that this candle exactly right here will be the breakout move?
I'm out. Thanks, bad.
Yeah.
My gold come up to no, not to 148, 850.
I think looking at it now, I think a buy once it broke this high made sense. If we were rejecting the bottom end of support, we expected to come up into resistance, then I guess this was a confirmation right here. So that's something to keep in mind for next time. Alright, well, I'm gonna close the charts, call it a day.
Alright, man.
Let me.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, ciao ciao.
Bye.
Alright, Gulag, we'll see you tomorrow. Ciao ciao.